Here's another from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, what is next? The storm is over. We've had about 4 to 6 inches of snow across many areas, not only of the city, but the entire viewing area. And now the sky's beginning to clear. We're going to become partly cloudy today, but still very cold. Over the last 24 hours, this is what we had. Mostly light to moderate snow. Again, it is very hard to get heavy snow when it's this cold. It's never too cold to snow. But sometimes it's too cold for heavy snow because cold air just doesn't hold that much water. But we had a long duration event. It was easily accumulating, and that's basically what happened. And there were some pockets where it came down pretty good at times, but it was just a long duration snow on the northwest side of what's a huge storm. So here at 7:15 in the morning, it is in the single digits. The snow is over. It's moving into eastern Missouri. And also, the wind chill is around -10, give or take a few degrees. Fortunately, there is not much wind. And when we take a look at the situation, look at the storm in the southeast, all that ice from northern Louisiana to Kentucky. Some of that is freezing rain, some of that is sleet. Remember, freezing rain is liquid water that freezes on contact. That is what coats the trees and power lines and can bring them down. If it's sleet, it's a frozen raindrop, and it just bounces. It does not coat, and it does not accumulate on trees and power lines. But there's even been some lightning in there, too. So it is pretty heavy, and the northeast is on its way to about getting clobbered, so with heavy snow. And so, yeah, that's going to affect a lot of airports. Now, how much snow did KCI officially get? Well, as of midnight, 5.2. They may have had another 0.1 or 2 after midnight, but so our snowfall with 5.2 is 9 inches. Average for today's date is 9.2, so they got another 0.2. We're right on average. And again, 4 to 6 inches of snow occurred over this storm. Now, we've had 3.8 in December, 5.2 in January. The 3.8, most of that came on December 1st, and most of the snow in January came on the 24th of January. So 9 inches of snow, a total of 2 days of snow this winter. The snow shower thing also is there, so let's call it 3 days of snow this winter. What a weird, odd winter we are having. Very warm and now cold. And so that is now moving away. And we just kind of look at the motion here. Still snowing in southeast Missouri as of early Sunday morning. Rolled through the radars here. Again, that ice storm down to the south and the snowstorm, and then heading into New England. Look how big the storm is. It's huge. It really is. It's just huge. And a few snow showers heading towards Denver. I'll show you here in a minute. It might actually snow for the game. Usually the AFC Championship game is here, but unfortunately it's in Denver, and yes, it may snow. They've been in a snow drought. So let's go through what is next. Well, we're going to get up to around 15 degrees today under a partly cloudy sky, and you can see a little bit of snow there. The game's at 2 o'clock, so could be some snow for the game. And then for us tonight, we're going to drop down to -5, maybe -10 in some spots, and this data has -21 in Columbia. It is possible if you're right underneath a high pressure area, there's absolutely no wind. It can happen. I don't think you could get that cold, but in Sedalia -14, Emporia -10. It wouldn't surprise me if there were some spots that did drop into the -teens. And then tomorrow's kind of an interesting day. It's going to be sunny, so usually that's okay. It's sunny. Temperatures will get up close to 20, but in the afternoon and evening, winds are going to pick up out of the southwest, 15 to 30 miles per hour. That could cause blowing snow in the afternoon and evening. Very rare to get blowing snow around here a day after a storm with a southwest wind and sunny skies. But it's not out of the question because the snow likely will still be dry and fluffy because it's not going to get that warm. It may slush up a little bit tomorrow, but not much as we get only to around 20 degrees. Then on Tuesday, another little front comes in. It's a weak one, so we're in the 20s, 30s. And on Wednesday, I didn't get lazy here. Because I didn't want to move that front. I didn't move that front because there's another one. They're that fast, and they're not that strong, but it keeps us in the 20s and 30s. Then on Thursday, there's a little weather system coming in from the northwest. There's maybe a little bit of snow that Thursday or Friday, but we're going to leave it out of the forecast. Temperatures in the 20s on Thursday, and then on Friday, that front comes in and probably in the 20s again. Look at the 50s out to the west. There's no real sign that that is coming in anytime soon, but we also don't see a lot of snow either. So we take a look at the forecast today, 14 today, partly cloudy, 7 p.m. We will be at 7 p.m. We'll be at 2 degrees at 9 p.m. dropping to -5 tonight, colder in some spots. The wind chill -25 to -10, even with a 5 to 10 mile per hour wind. It's so cold. And then tomorrow up to 19, but that wind could create some interesting blowing snow in the afternoon and evening. There's the rest of the super 10-day forecast. Generally highs in the 20s and 30s, lows in the single digits and teens. So it is warmer, but it is not warm. Probably in the middle of February, early to middle of February, we'll watch for possibly a warm up and possibly another chance of snow in there somewhere as well. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead. Stay healthy. Stay with KSHB 41. We'll keep you advised.